Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Monday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 13th of May 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.32%, settling the day at 39,512.84 while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,340.87, falling 0.03%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,127.40 and Hang Seng is trading at 18,876.07. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 22,093.50, indicating a start in the red for the Indian market. FII sold 2,117.50 crores in the cash market in the last trading session. India's industrial production output in March slows down to 4.9% as compared to February numbers. The manufacturing sector's output grew 5.2% in March, from 5% in February. Now talking about global aspects, the University of Michigan consumer sentiment for the US fell to 67.4 in May from 77.2 in April. WTI fell 1.3% to $78.26 a barrel, while Brent fell 1.3% to $84.79 barrel. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.49%, down. The US dollar is trading at 105.23, up by 0.05. Here is a recap of Friday's trading session. The Nifty index experienced a downturn, halting a 2-week upward trend and reaching its lowest point in 3 weeks. The index retreated by approximately 2%, closing the week at 22,055. Concurrently, the Bank Nifty index declined by around 3%, concluding the week at 47,421. Nifty Small Cap and Mid Cap Index witnessed a fall of around 5% and 2.75% respectively. The market's decline can be largely attributed to the prevailing uncertainty surrounding the general elections, particularly following the third phase of voting, which witnessed a decrease in voter turnout compared to 2019. Outlook for the day. The Nifty index has been trading within a broad range of 21,750 to 22,800 over the past few months, and it's currently approaching the lower end of this range, a critical support level at 21,750 for the short term. With a decisive break below the immediate support at 22,300 observed on Thursday, the Nifty is anticipated to experience further downward movement in the short term. Given historical patterns, there's a likelihood of a minor upward correction from this crucial support level in the upcoming trading sessions. The immediate resistance level is pegged at 22,250. The Bank Nifty recently started trading below its crucial 50-day EMA, signaling a bearish trend. The index is now targeting its next immediate support level at 47,200, and if breached, it could lead to intensified selling pressure, potentially pushing it down to around 46,600. At present, the index encounters immediate resistance around the 48,000 mark, where there's notable aggressive call writing activity. A decisive breakthrough above this resistance level could prompt short covering actions, potentially driving the index higher towards the 48,800 mark. Stocks on radar are Hind Zinc, Vijaya, Jindal Worldwide, Honeywell Automation. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.